friendly reminder, New Year's resolution, right? Remember that we are the word that is living. We are living the word. So with that said, the New Year's resolutions, we are not doing the resolutions. No, we are removing the RE. We are doing the solutions for the year 2026. That means, remember, God created heavens and earth by the word, right? So we are creating our own 2026 by ngani, right? So remember, Uti, 2 Timothy 3 verse 5, Uti, having a form of godliness, but denying the power. Already we know that we've got the form of godliness. Remember, God created us in his image, right? So that image already we've got the form of godliness. So let's not deny the power of the tongue, because Jesus lives in me. So when I'm talking, I'm revealing him that is in me. Remember, greater is he that is in me. So when I talk, I have to say things and create my year 2026. Don't worry about last year. Last year is past. We are no longer there. We are not redoing anything. We are continuing, right? So there's no mistake that happened last year. Everything happened for a reason. Remember, with God, there's no mistake. So he created heaven and